Jesus, take me for a dance over the water. Turn all of my dancers into goddess. Beautiful God, forever glorious. Nobody can separate me from your love, and you can make a flower bloom on this dry land. Beautiful God, forever glorious.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MISO back with another video. I don't know if you guys can tell how tired I am. I really don't want to go for class today, but I don't think I have a choice here. But I'm so tired. I've got bags under my eyes. I didn't even sleep that late, but I woke up really early, which I never usually do. But today was a Wednesday, so I had to wake up at 5:30. Well, I had to wake up before 5:30 because I had something at 5:30, and I'm so tired, and I'm even late for class. I'm like 20 minutes late, but at least I'm going. You know, I could have chosen to stay in bed, you know, not really. I don't know, guys. I'm so tired. I don't understand.
What you want? I'm in a day when your love see. Now I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. You're in my world, only you. Make me do for love what I would not do. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full.
but we don't rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall from my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to me? One time, sit down in a class and we pour them. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credit, say I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I just shut down. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your body and live, man. It's me up with that God for the journey, the earning, not just to the plus. Yeah. My gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. But I toast to the friends that take off the road one time. Sit down in a class and we pour them. Only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell you my story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job for me. I'm in the light. You know some person ignited. But the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earning, the dust to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall for my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to me? One time, sit down in a class and we pour.
Hey guys, okay, so it is currently Thursday. It's Thursday. I am on my way to church where we have rehearsal for revival night, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am quite nervous because I am leading worship for the first time. I'm scared, but all shall be well because it's not by my strength but by the Lord. Yeah. And I feel like I love that this week's songs are actually ministering to me because I'm so nervous, and then I was like, just listen to what the songs are saying anyway. And one of the songs is like, move in power, you know, Lord, how we want you, Lord, how we need you, not by understanding but by the Spirit of the Lord, not by my own power but by the Spirit of the Lord, you know, not my own efforts but by the Spirit of the Lord. And I'm like, I needed to hear this. And then, you know, the other song is, there's no other God, there's no other King, you alone made the heavens, the stars and the sea. So I will lift my hands, I will lift my voice, there is no one like you, God. And it's like, if that's the case, then why do I feel as though that same God who is within me cannot help me with the task that he has given me? You know what I mean? But I'm not gonna lie and say that I'm not nervous. I am. I'm just not pessimistic anymore because I believe that even in my nervousness, God will show up for me. So yeah. Otherwise, let's get going. I think I also need to pick up my Stanley Cup that I got on my way to church, and I don't want to be late, so we have to leave right now. It's like 1. I have to be at church by 2. It's past 1 right now, and I have to go withdraw money, go get my Stanley, and then go to Kamloops. So yeah, this is gonna be very interesting afternoon. Also, this is my fit for today. I'm wearing these black cargo pants and this top from Mr. Price. Both of them are from Mr. Price actually. Most of my clothes are just Mr. Price South Africa. The Mr. Price this side, I don't know, it just doesn't have things, hey. But yeah, this Mr. Price. This has a matching skirt, but I wore that fit on what was it? I wore it on Sunday. So this is what I'm wearing today. And yeah, I'll catch you guys